Okay? Say nyati asese important tight hu here. Adentia a sign of appreciation. Ema nyankopon a sign of gratitude. Now no kwan ben so na ebe fa ye betimi ayi tight. And into the kind Bible mo beka say to so do 10% of your income. And to so do. So it means bosomini nyina na afimuni nyina na awotwemuni nyina emfaso a wunyae wo adwuma a wo ye so no chemudu na fa mu baako ekokoda nyame ase. Okay, chemudu, that is the Christian background. Enkramufo so was similar thing almost ye. But the first thing they say 100% thing na nyawo de yawo, it belongs to God. That's the real understanding. You are just a caretaker. You can, in the Christian setting, you can use the 90% for yourself, but give the 10% to God. Even though all the 100% belongs to God, not you. You are just taking care. But Nyankopon say, you move 10% na fabo na juma. Now what the 90% keep it to yourself. As I what I say be anywhere you don't own anything. Nani nyina Nyankopon de na no kan kire wo say just you move 10% for mama. Now we form 90% now you will love to give. Now no giving no and I say I am difficult for people to understand. Kwan ben so me be fa ye be tight. My character say our Bible mu no the next year say those days na asofo no omo ti asori fie na omo nhada nya adwuma bia omo na kire omo bibia wa asori fie and it say utia tight na asofo no de ne bi hwe omo ho na omo de bia bo anyanka na omo de bia bo akunafo ba nei no asofo na wo ho no ya adwuma. Okay, asofo no ya adwuma omo sika omo wo no asori members no enni bi minimum asofo omo ya travel and tour, asofo omo transportation business, asofo omo different kind of businesses. As sika omunya wo mu no sika no so pa antu bebi so omo se omo tight no omo tua ma hwan. Okay, because you can say utia tight a ubenya Nyankopon ni menhira osofo no so penhira ni bi ntu bebi say ne say ne business na oye no the returns of the business no aya ono osofo no utia tight e de ma hwan. Maybe that's our question way because in the olden days na asofo na get tight no mo ankasa no enya adwuma nti nam so mo nya adwuma nti no na omo de tight na na hwe omo ho so no mo nya ahode enya adwuma e de bia boa akunafo ene enyanka ba so si e wo osofo no wo adwuma wo ye no wo ka baako be 20 ebinim kwa wo private jet obi fie ko baako 30 nti mean say wo source of income apart nya adwuma no nti amanfo eye adwuma a wo expect say omuntu sika mfa mo nya adwuma no they should pay tight no wo osofo na nkasa no wo sika no the returns of your hard labor no then na wo dey utia wo tight e de ma hwan. Anything no it means say osofo na nkasa no enim the essence behind tithing. So what he has said, the essence behind tithing is a sign of appreciation and gratitude. And I also for year you should be able to also give tithe. But to the letter of my understanding, I mean, I saw for any tithe, no. That's a little I know. Because I also for it, you know. As I'm on who tia tithe and I said, Bosom Swan, or much checking the tithe, no, and Moody Henne because of for, but almost for Francasso, a year Juma, Nisiko one, I saw the man any. Nti the woman say you tia tight enye nhirafi Nyankopon ho. You tia tight say you show appreciation. You tia tight say you show gratitude there. Wo osofo no, are you not ready to show appreciation and gratitude towards God for him giving you so much? You want people to give tithe so that they will be blessed. Why are you not giving the tithe? Or is it that you don't want blessings from God? I know as of they are into estate building, estate development, and they have so much money. so much money to the point say they go and buy private jet. Men can say money are very good. But my point is say, are you also giving tithe? Because with my understanding of tithing, no, it is a sign of appreciation. It is a sign of showing gratitude to God. Who are you giving your tithe to? And now, the tithe and as we are, I've told you, say, there were 3 levels of tithes. First tithe, you say, a tithe in the mode of ignorance. Okay? Second one is a tithe in the mode of passion. And the last one is a tithe in the mode of goodness. And you will say, first tithe, no, the first tithe is a tithe in the mode of ignorance, and they say, what they say, I say, utia tithe. Now, Bosome so ya penewa for usika. Now the choir Sunday, be when baby I assume yami, or see, this is my tithe. No utia. Won't name the omudisika never, you don't give a damn about it. Say ni pan free yami, so free and coupon. You just go and give that money. Don't forget, a dear you do with charity and our tithe and a bayano. Say you the positive things that Ubenya returns. Say ni pan the negative things now, or no better the returns. So charity or tithe in the mode of ignorance, and they say, well, tithe in a way, you don't even know the person very well. You just go and give the money because you also for what you was on them. But also if he's in some cocaine business or into some drug business or into some business be contrary to the scriptures, you are assisting him to do that. Consequences in one in each. That is the tithe in the mode of ignorance. You don't have much information about the person you are giving. You just go ahead and give because you have to give. You have given. So any panel at the end of Juma and Kasa and share woman on Sabeka. So I'm finding a Juma, not a Juma Basa so. Then you will also be accountable because you helped the person to be able to engage in that kind of venture. Then the tithe in the mode of passion, let's say, okay, me person Yangopon is Shirame. Okay? Me person Yangopon is Shirame. Until me person Yangopon Shirame until me person me Kokoma tithe. So you give the tithe expecting something from God, or expecting some returns. Because you are expecting something before a woman, that tithe is gave or is being given in the mode of passion. But the tithe in the mode of goodness, and they say, you will give the tithe to the right person for the right purpose with the right understanding. Say, I am giving this as a result of the blessings that God gave me. So it means you are not expecting anything, but you are giving because you have been blessed already, and based on that blessing from God, you are giving. But the one in the mode of passion, he is giving because he is expecting something from God. So that is in the mode of passion. But the one who gives with the intention said, I have been blessed so much by God, so because of that blessing I have all these things. So let me give this as a token to God to show my appreciation or to show my gratitude. Not that you are expecting that by giving God is going to replenish you. But the fact of the matter is, when you give, God will still return it back to you. But that in the mode of goodness, the person is not giving because he wants something from God. He is giving because he feels that he has been blessed so much and he must give. Point in say, in the olden days, not yet tight. Say by a was off one over to me. No one young one, no what to me assume Yankopon. Until you tight in the manner on for some one young canin for. But as I say, also for the year, Juma, I am the sick one, I saw the man in me. So it means that Osofo don't have any right to use the tithe on himself. When you Osofo now will get tithe, you should give it to the needy, because already you are working, you have money. And it will be my advice say, so so then I will be you tighter. Now when you pay say Osofo now will the tithe na man. Or no where Juma or ya or what you seek. The best thing would have been said one casa to be or ye needy was sorry never see cannot domino. Because one casa no ya Juma who was sick. But you are going by the tradition in the Old Testament, so as of any tithe. But what Bisa who said, as of for no more tithe, not a Juma ben no way. They were not working, no way in Juma, and it is omoge tithe now, or more the boy the needy, especially a kunafo, any Arisia and Yankama. As we are Juma, I was a car who support Marco on Koran, and yes, cook it one, who tear in dollars. But you are still expecting somebody who is earning maybe 50 cedis every month and say, oh, nobody think amount. Now, for your Musi, however, there are many needy people in the church. And to what this can do, dear, Yanko baby so once. Ya also for onye Juman. See, also for onye Juman, Yamujuman Kuana Oyen. Sa also for no, what do tight mano? Nas or the yen who ye pa Yanko Pontia say because Oyen Yamujuma, Obedidi, Obeda. Obeshatare and intins or you sue Sikana ya tight and yen hua, Boni be any name say we are so for no. Now we are Juma who were enough money, who was so much resources are one casabet in your taking care of self. So be to your tight the mawa. You should be able to use the money to support the needy, the poor, the widows, the orphans. Don't use that money on yourself.